Hello students, in this lesson we are going to study whole numbers up to 1 billion. Before starting the topic, let us quickly recap numbers up to 100 millions. For example, recently the population of Brazil was 184,101,109. Now you can see here that the numbers up to 100 millions, there are total 9 digits. In this example, the first digit 1 represents 100 million. The next digit 8 represents 8 tenths million. The next digit 4 represents 4 millions, and up to so on. Another example is 184,101,109. Again, you can see that here there are total 9 digits, and if you want to represent it in standard form, so after every 3 digits you have to separate the numbers by commas. What is a billion? As you can see in the previous example, that in 100 millions there were total 9 digits. So if I add one more digit, so we can make a number to a billion. For example, the average distance of the dwarf planet Pluto from the Sun is about 3,674,488,000 miles. Now, in order to write the number in standard form, again, you have to write the digits. After every 3 digits, you have to separate the numbers by commas. So here you can see that 3, after 3 there is a comma. Then after 3 digits 674, the digits are separated by commas. Then 488,488, and then before the 3 zeros, the digits are separated by commas. And we can also read it as 3,674,488,000. Another way to represent the number is the place value chart. We can show these numbers in a place value chart, as you can see on the screen. The first digit 3 represents billion, 6 represents 100 million, 7 represents 10 million, 4 represents 4 million, 4 represents 100,000, 8 represents 10,000, the next digit 8 represents 1000, and the last 3 digits 100, tens and ones are all zeros. We can also write these numbers in expanded form using the same number 3,674,488,000. We can write it as 3 million. You can see that in billion there are total 9 zeros. So after 3 there are total 9 zeros after that, plus 600 million. So in million, 600 million, there are total 8 zeros, plus 7, and after 7 we have total 7 zeros. Then 400,000, which is 4, and then we have 6 zeros after that. Then 400,000, then plus 80,000, plus 8,000, and finally rest of the digits, 3 zeros represents zeros on the 100 place. The next 2 zeros represent zeros on tens place, and the last 0 represents 0 on the unit place. Now we can try this question. Write 421,754,2168 in standard form, place value chart, expanded form, and in words. Now you can see that these are total 10 digits. Now here the digits are separated by commas. That is how we can write it in standard form. And if you want to write in a place value chart, so the first digit 4 represents billion, 2 represents 100 million, 1 represents 10 million, 7 represents 7 million, 5 represents 500,000, 4 represents 10,000, 2 represents 1000, 1 represents 100, 6 represents tens, and 0 represents 8 represents ones. You can also write it in expanded form. The first digit is 4. After that, since it's a billion number, so after 4 there are total 9 zeros, plus the next digit is 2. Now after 2 there are total 8 zeros, plus the next digit is 1. So after 1 there are total 7 zeros. The next digit is 7. After 7 there are total 6 zeros. The next digit is 5. After 5 there are 5 zeros. The next digit is 4, which is 40,000. So there must be 3 zeros. Then the next digit is 2. So that's 2000. The next digit is 100. Then 60 and finally 8. We can also write this number in words as 4 billion, 217 million, 542,000, 168. Now let's try one more example. The place value of the colored digit in the number. So here we have to find out, or we have to write the digit which is written in a colored digit. So here 7 is the digit which is colored red. So any guess what 7 represents? The correct answer is 70,000, because 7 represents 10,000 digit. Another example, we have 2 a color digit. So any guess what does this 2 represent? The correct answer is 20 million, because 2 represents 10 millionth position. Thank you so much. I hope you have understood the topic. Take care.